Joining us here in the charts, it is the Crypto Flight Edition. Napolean Macros speaking. What the title? Let me explain the title. Dogecoin just broke out does not necessarily mean the prices will start moving higher right now. I'm going to show you some evidence in the charts that is suggesting Dogecoin just broke resistance. Let's see if this resistance will now act as support. We'll make this a short video. And let's get right into it and explain why I have the thumbnail there. So welcome back. I'm going to get that, thumb timestamp going there. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, all of my loyal subscribers. Let's dive right into the charts here. So today's March the 16th, 2022, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 11 cents. It's slightly negative 0.33% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, let's make this one count. Hopefully you guys have been doing well. All right, so the thumbnail, let me go ahead and explain why I have the breakthrough. Okay, we're taking a look at the daily candles, and what I typically focus on is support resistance. If you're noticing those red lines on the last video post that we left you guys out with, we literally gave you guys just one moving average, and it's been getting rejected from that level every single time, guys. Hopefully you guys you've had your daily candles and that 50 exponential moving average. It's been getting rejected. It's been a pretty intense time for the buyers to actually accomplish that green line and actually use it as support. But I actually found this level, guys. Let's start fresh. I want to show you guys. I feel like the chart is a little bit too messy. So breakthrough, Dogecoin. So here's the reason why the thumbnail, I can't talk. The thumbnail is suggesting, did Dogecoin just break out? You see that descending arbitrary line right there? Right about there. We recently went long Dogecoin, not right now, but I mean, we recently, I'm not sure when. We have a mental alert, not a stop out, okay, near the 9-cent level. But we are invested in Dogecoin right now. This appears to be a breakthrough of resistance. So one may say, all right, so how high do you think Dogecoin is going to go? I'm not sure. But what I will say is, if we just keep it super practical and take the previous level of, let's just call it support or reaction, dead cat bounce. No, sorry, Dogecoin Army, not dead cat bounce. Let's use a different term. The previous level of a reaction, let's use that. Right there, it's going to be 12 cents, okay? So in order for me to be convinced that this is a breakthrough, okay, I'll just make it. It's very simple to see, guys. See resistance, a little resistance, right? Resistance, a little bit of resistance, and it looks like we got a breakthrough right now. Okay, so in order for me to be convinced that this will be a sustainable breakthrough, or just to keep it super practical and understanding simple price action and understanding that when you have a moving down, right, like the price action is moving down, and then you get that breakthrough of the resistance, the next thing you have to do is break above the previous level of, again, a reaction or support, and that would be represented at this red line right here. Again, it's like 12 cents. If you guys take notes, it's like 1, 2, 2, 4, 8, etc., etc. Okay. It's like from the current level, it's going to be approximately, it's like a 5% move to the upside. So I think if this is in fact a true breakthrough, hopefully I have a breakthrough, it's the same thing. I think over the next, let's give it at least up to 72 hours. I think we'll have some sort of slow, gradual climb to the upside. And if that does not happen, let's just say there's a rejection there. That's normal because Dogecoin has been downtrending. So you must expect there to be some sort of continuation of bumps in the road because Dogecoin has been making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, walking down the stairs. One of the only channels who actually said Dogecoin could go all the way down to 7 cents, even though it has not happened. I think we were saying that near the like 30 or 40 cent level. Many weren't open to it, but you have to be open to this type of volatility in the crypto markets, guys, okay? But let me just finish explaining what I was saying. When you get a breakthrough of any resistance line in a downtrending market, in some cases, not all cases, you don't immediately get the blast off, right? I know everyone wants to see the Dogecoin's superior. I think I got a comment saying it doesn't always just happen like it explodes, right? What you really want to see in order for it to be a sustainable breakout, you want to look for those, the little quiet candles, right? Don't cause too much attention. continue to walk up the stairs, right? Even if it gets rejected from that 12 cents, as long as it doesn't make a new low, that's the sign that you need to see in order to show evidence that the financial strength may have an interest near these current levels. And then, of course, the more consolidating, the better, in my book, in preparation to at least get the crypto back above the previous level of a reaction or support, the red line, 12 cents. And then and only then is when I think we can truly see some fireworks or some sort of turnaround here in the short to midterm, guys. Again, I'm long Dogecoin right now. That's pretty much the information that I found in the chart. I want to show you guys that Dogecoin appears to be breaking out right now. And again, it doesn't mean it's going to explode. It just means it's breaking through resistance. Okay. And that's the end of the video. So, on a new low, let me just kind of go over that for you guys. I know a lot of you guys follow me closely for the levels. So you have the 12 cents, the previous level of support. And let's just say that Dogecoin makes a higher low. You're going to look for, or a double bottom. You're going to look for something near the 11.14 level approximately. Pull up your charts, guys. I'm using the Bitfinex chart. Pull up your daily candles, and you can see it crystal clear on the chart. I'm not doing anything complicated. I'm just looking for higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend. And of course, the evidence to see some sort of turnaround, the double bottom or the higher low. Okay, double bottom or some sort of higher low. Okay, and right now we actually don't have a double bottom or a higher low. The only evidence that we have in the charts right now is some sort of, I want to say confirmation, but it's not necessarily confirmation because we're dealing with an active daily candle. You see this little red candle? It's active, meaning that one may say, well, it's probably going to go lower. You know what they say, right, about Dogecoin. They're going to say it's probably going to go lower. He's spreading shield flood, saying the park is going to break out. Yes, it can go lower, but if it will now use this previous level of resistance as support, then that will be a good sign that Dogecoin appears to be trying to get out of the wrath of the sellers and turn things around here. But still, give it some time, guys. Give it at least 72 hours for starters. If it's not above 12 cents, then just assume that Dogecoin is still just kind of stuck in the wrath of the sellers, and the sellers will attempt to make a new low lower than 11 cents. Okay, but if they fail, then of course that's the opportunity for you as a interesting analyst to pull up your chart and understand that the market did not make a new low. So in that case, you have to assume that the buyers are going to make at least an attempt to break through the previous level of support at about 12 cents. Okay, so hopefully that information is good. Hopefully we're all clear about the thumbnail. All right, and that's the end of this video. So hopefully you enjoyed that and hopefully you learned something. If you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd appreciate it, below the video, and also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. Wow, there's a lot of red on the screen there. If you guys are new, we also explored the traditional stocks throughout the week. You can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Thank you for your patience, Dogecoin Army. I know we haven't been making videos about Dogecoin, but we're kind of throttling it down a little bit. But I want you guys to be able to pull up your charts, look for higher lows, look for the resistance levels, right? So this way you can just, you'll be self-sufficient. You can just do this on your own, right? You don't really need me to talk about Dogecoin. All right. But I'll try to keep it in the loop as much as I can. I do appreciate you guys. I really do. All right. Remember, keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.